In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix this account cannot create or send business broadcast on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the official and latest version of WhatsApp. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated or modified versions of the app can cause broadcast issues. Next, avoid sending too many promotional or repeated messages in a short period of time because WhatsApp may detect this as a spam behavior. Broadcast messages also work best when the recipients have your business number saved in their contacts, so accounts sending messages to unsaved numbers may face restrictions. You should also check your business profile settings and make sure your business information such as your name, category, and phone number are properly completed and verified. If these solutions didn't work out for you, you can contact WhatsApp support team. You can request a review of your account. In many cases, WhatsApp restores broadcast access after reviewing the account activity. Most of the time, the issue happens because of spam protection systems, app problems, or account verification issues. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.